Hi guys, hi. Yeah, I know it took so long, but then yeah, I'm making the videos now. Okay, right. I'll just get to it. I'll make sure the videos are short as possible and they are concise. I'll make sure they are concise. Okay. So I believe even though I'm just making them, they'll still worth the time and everything. So you guys should go through it and to be somewhat of a makeup class to those who missed some classes, and of course those who did not miss any class. It will serve as a fallback or reference. We just want to remember how we did something in class, or and I might be able to go into more detail here. So let's just get started. And for this, I'll just be showing um, an overview of Tableau, right? Now, when you open it, this is the first thing you probably see. This is the window you see, and if it's the first time, as you know, you will not be seeing all of this, all this. These are the recently worked with files, workbooks that you have, and they are not pinned. They're not pinned. They're just showing you like the recent files. And if you want to pin them, you can see this button here. So if you look at it, it's not filled, but once I click on it, it's filled with the same background color I have here. Can you see? So it's now pinned, and if you want to unpin it, you can just pin it that way, and you can close it. Say you have too many, or you're not seeing the ones you want to see. You want to see some late earlier ones, so you can just close all the way down like that. So those are what these two things are for. Right, and this pane right here, if you're connected to your data or you're opening it for the first time, you probably see some Tableau videos, intro videos, where you can go through. They are quite good as well. So here we have three options: the File tab, the Data tab, and the Help tab. So this is the connection options, or the connection pane or section, however you want to put it. So that's what you have here. Now under the File tab, you can open a new file. You see the shortcuts for each operation here, so you can just use the shortcut as well. So Control N to open a new file, a new workbook. So you basically have a new workbook. Say you want to do something fresh, so you just start on a new workbook. If you want to open a previously worked on workbook, or previously saved workbook, you can do that from here. Control O. Now this is the way you also open a workbook that is shared with you, maybe offline, a workbook that someone sent to you, and just you can open it from here. If you try opening it from your work area, you get some error. You get an error of extract not created, etc., like that. And sometimes, if on Tableau desktop public that we work with extract file, right? So sometimes that might cause a little bit of issue. All right, that's that about that. You can also open, if you have some saved workbooks on your Tableau public, you can always open them from here and explore this, explore other things. Now this same thing you have here, what you also have here, you recently worked with workbooks or previously saved workbooks, that's what you have here, and you can always exit from here to start. Now for the data tab, it's of course nothing is coming up here until you click on this Tableau logo, this Tableau icon right here. So of course now you can do more with it, but we'll still come back to this work area. That's not what I'll show you now. So just to go back now, since I'm here, the way you go back is this. So some of you accidentally find yourself here, all you have to do is click on this icon right here. If you accidentally find yourself on this window, so just click back here and you get back to your window, your work area. And if you want to go back to that place, you just click on this place as well. All right, so you have your connection options here. Microsoft Excel and text file being the most common one in the top of the list. Now, let me emphasize that if you're on Tableau desktop, the paid version, you have more options here, right? Doesn't mean we are limited, because you can always use our whole data to make some online connection to other kind of data sources. And of course, we have enough options here, and we have more here. All right, so that's that about that. As I said, I want to make it short. What else I want to show you here? Okay, help, you can explore them, see some training videos, community, etc., etc. I recently worked with workbooks, and that will be all for this video. So in the next video, I'll just do a quick walkthrough of this interface. All right. So I'll ensure I keep them as short as possible. So all right, that'll be all for this. See you next video.